A-18 Super Hornet. Battle-proven. Carrier-ready. Mission complete. Developed by Boeing, the A-18 Super Hornet is the upgraded version of the classic Hornet. It's used by the U.S. Navy and other allied forces. Multirole fighter. The Super Hornet can handle air-to-air combat, ground strikes, recon missions, refueling operations, all from an aircraft carrier. Speed and power. Top speed. Mach 1.6, 1,900 km per hour. Twin General Electric F414 engines. High thrust, high reliability. Combat range. Over 1,300 kilometers. Weapons load. The Super Hornet carries a deadly mix. AIM-9 Sidewinder, AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles. JDAM smart bombs. Harpoon anti-ship missiles. AGM-88 HARM. 20 mm internal cannon. Payload. Over 8 tons. Advanced tech. An APG-79 AESA radar. Infrared and laser targeting pods. Electronic warfare systems. Real-time data sharing with other aircraft and ships. Carrier capable. Tailhook for landing. Foldable wings for storage. Built for catapult launches. This jet dominates the sky and the sea. Crew options. Comes in both. Single-seat FA-18E. Two-seat FA-18F. The two-seater is perfect for strike coordination and advanced missions. Combat experience. The Super Hornet has served in Iraq, Afghanistan, Syria, Libya. It's one of the most battle-proven jets flying today. Global use. In service with the U.S. Navy, Australia, and Kuwait. Considered for sale to other allied nations. Compared to others, cheaper and more reliable than the F-35. More modern and capable than older Hornets. Easier maintenance, strong combat record. Why it matters. The F-A-18 Super Hornet is the backbone of U.S. naval aviation. Proven in war, built for the future. Versatile, rugged, trusted. The Super Hornet continues to lead from the skies and seas. Like fighter jets. Subscribe to Cars Story. And comment below, what jet should we feature next?